Hello everyone, welcome back to this guide on improving your heist strategy in Monopoly Go. Today we will cover 4 key tips that can help you maximize your chances of securing diamond rings during heists. So the first tip is to replicate successful patterns. So when completing a heist, take a note of where the diamond rings appear. Before collecting your rewards, observe the pattern carefully. On your next attempt, you just have to replicate this pattern. If this pattern doesn't yield results, adjust slightly on subsequent tries. Over time, this approach can help you develop a consistent strategy. Next up, start your heist from the outer edges of the board. So many players find it effective to begin in the top left or right corner, then gradually move inward. The method can sometimes increase your chances of finding diamond rings. However, remember that outcomes are random, so it's important to remain flexible. Third tip is that patience is crucial during heist. Since there is no time limit, so take the necessary time to make informed decisions about where to pick. Rushing can lead to missed opportunities, so consider each move carefully. Finally, if the outside in approach is not working, consider switching strategies. Start from inside and work outside, or try different patterns such as vertical or horizontal selections. Give the randomness of the ring placement. Adapting your strategy can sometimes yield better results. So these tips are designed to enhance your heist success in Monopoly Go. By replicating patterns, working from the outside in, exercising patience, and adjusting strategies as needed, you can improve the chances of collecting diamond rings. So thank you so much for watching and good luck with your future heists in Monopoly Go.